and welcome to hot Israel. We are going to go to Ein Gedi and we're going to see animals, most likely. Animals and waterfalls and then the Dead Sea. Kitties! Lots of kitties there. We're all ready to go.
So is Kitty.
I swear one day I'm gonna buy some clothes that fit me and that are appropriate for occasions, because I always look like a really badly dressed tourist.
There's the Dead Sea.
Thank you for narrating, Rafael. There are so many butterflies here. Oh my goodness. They're like the size of moths though. Alright, so here we are. Okay, tell everybody what it means.
It means no smoking, no driving with your head, no climbing with this, no tent, no dogs around, no... What's this called?
I don't know. What is that called?
Just tell us.
Track? It's a Jeep.
No Jeep.
No Jeeps.
And no feeding the goats.
No feeding the goats. Those are ibex. Alright, here's what it says. It's Ein Gedi. Alright. We just paid, and military doesn't get a discount. You have to either be reserve or mandatory. So if you work here, you get nothing.
Hey, there's a wagon over there.
Yeah, it is.
Abigail, wait.
So there's the trail. Of those benches made out of like railroad ties, almost. Come on. She's not liking this. She is just like her mother. Look how pretty though.
Those are like bat caves.
Yep, there's the stream right there. Huh.
Those holes right there are like bat caves.
Right. I bet bats do live in there.
Yeah, bats live in there.
Hadar's having to carry Abigail because she's crying. Wood. Lower waterfall. And look at the incline. And it goes all the way up. Pretty sure we had to go up there. This is the lower waterfall. Great picture. Yeah. There's a bunch of poop here. So we gotta have some animal.
Don't slide, okay?
Man, it stinks in there. I'm gonna have to lighten that when I get home to see if we can see anything in there.
That sign says go up that mountain.
How does it?
Over there.
It's a cliff to your death. Now hold on. Oh my god. Yeah. Natural steps here. Oh god, there's a waterfall right there. To your death. No bars. No safety rail. Stay with me, Rafael, because if you fall, it's not very good. It's very slippery here because they have like gravel dirt. So pretty though. Be very careful. See, it's very slippery. And there's a waterfall to your death. Abigail's doing good. You doing good, Rafael?
Yeah.
Strong. There's a waterfall right there.
That is okay.
That's a birdie. Was taking a bath and getting a drink. Look how hot she is. She's all red. Let me see your face, Abigail. You're all red. Are you hot? Daddy's droning.
Go slide, Rafael. Go slide.
Oh, blow the man down, bullies, blow the man down. To me
Way, blow the man down.
Blow the man down, bullies, blow him away.
Give me some time to blow the man down. We went over the bar on the 13th of May. Way, blow the man down. But Gallagher jumped and the gale came away. Give me some time to blow the man down.
A saucy young damsel I happened to meet.
Give me some time to blow the man down.
I says to her, Pallion, how do you do?
To me way, blow the man down.
Says she, none the better for seeing of you.
Give me some time to blow the man down. Oh, sailors as tinkers and tailors as men to be brave. Blow the man down. And for all of us coming to see you again. Oh, give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down. Get in, Rafael. Get in it.
Saying goodbye. You made a very good friend here.
Yeah, she was 8 years old.
8?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
The way right here. You're not listening.
Yeah.
The way. Go on.
This way? It's wet there. The waterfall is down there. We just climbed up a little bit. Huge boulder.
Casually walking around.
Huge.
More climbing. We're gonna go up and around to the other waterfall pond. I would not have been able to do that 6 months ago.
So we climbed 600 meters up the mountain.
I don't know. That sounds
200 meters, I mean.
No. We didn't climb that much, maybe 30 meters up.
Hey, that looks like a finish line all the way up there.
Yeah, they have a lot of routes to go. A lot of tracks. They single person tracks. Is that where you want to go up there one day?
Oh no. That's very dangerous.
You don't want to?
That's very dangerous, so no.
Why? You and me. What?
There's a trail out of here.
Yeah. Here, be in the bush right here. Right where you are.
There's a man.
Andrea, take this.
Woo! Oh my goodness. This is a hike. I can't tell you how unsafe this is. Unsafe. He's getting a close-up of nature. Isn't that beautiful? We just came from up there. It's gorgeous. She loves this. She is filthy and wet, and everybody else is. It's great here. I want this for my house. Look how wonderful. A dream.
Stay down here with us, Abigail.
It's gorgeous. All right, that's where we were earlier. It's so far down. That's a fall to your death right here. And here's the path. Stay away from the edge. Dead Sea is out there. It's beautiful. Just don't come when it's really hot, because you'll get heat stroke. I had to take my hat off, so it's trapping the heat. I'm feeling very strokey right now. Heat strokey. We had to sit in the shade twice.
You want a Bubba?
Here somebody goes with
Canada.
Bubba girly?
Canada, represent.
He lives in Canada.
Unbelievable heat. I gotta watch it because he's changing her diaper back there. Had we come in like the winter time, I think that I would be able to just do it without stopping. I really didn't do that much, you know what I mean? But going up in this heat, up an incline with, you know, steps and rocky terrain that you have to be careful on, that makes it like twice as hard. The heat was like the major factor in my sitting down. I sat down 3 times doing that, and it's really, it's not a huge, it is a huge park, but the trail that we were on was not huge, but it goes all the way up and then it goes all the way down. And then it goes up and then down. 4 waterfalls, 3 or 4. We stopped at one. Really fun. Beautiful. If you have all day.
We down the waterfall.
Yeah, he loved it. Made a friend. Got along with her so good. She's like, hi to Hadar, and then she's like, hi, how are you? And I said, do you know me? And she said, no. I said, okay.
Yeah, she told me her name.
And she was 8. Very sweet little girl. I didn't know if she knew us because Rafael was like, hey, you know, and I don't know if he's like, hey, YouTube.
No,
you never know what he's gonna say.
Hey, I'm Rafael.
Oh, okay.
And she said, nice to meet you. And I said, nice to meet you.
She was very nice.
Yeah.
Her mommy and daddy and little brother was there, I think. Ah.
Yeah, she told me a lot about her little brother.
Oh, yeah. All right, get your seatbelt on. Everybody's red and dirty, and we are ready to go. Get a bath and get cleaned up.
What about sweaty?
Sweaty. That goes without saying. Shut the door and I'll show them the tent. I feel like I just completed a marathon. Are you about done? I want to show the tent. Oops. This is called a coolant, and I don't know if it's old or whatever, but it's a little slimy. It's supposed to hold water and keep you cool, and I believe that it does. However, it's just so hot. It's a little slimy though, so I think it's kind of old and past its date. You can get them for a couple of bucks. I saw online just recently, coolants, and you soak it in water and you wear it, but it's just a little too baking outside for it. Dude, I'm trying to film the thing and the doors keep opening. All right, it's 41 Celsius, and that is about one heck of a hot day in Fahrenheit. Oh, thank you. Because we got an air blasting now. Now we're gonna get cold because we're sweaty. All right, so we're enjoying a snack of tomatoes, the little baby tomatoes, and the little baby cucumbers. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's always more fun to eat foods that are not normal.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
Why am I so harshly judged while others are not for the same things?
Really hoping nothing bad will happen.
Good workout. I liked it.
Yes.